The first thing I'm going to do is just grab one of these silver containers, one small, and we're going to use one big one. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my hot glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and spread it all the way around it, just like that. Then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and grab the bigger silver container, and then I'm going to place it on top, just like that, and hold it in place so it can stay in place. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab some floral foam, and I'm going to put some hot glue and attach it to the middle of the container, just like that. Then go ahead and grab some white rocks on whatever color, or rock, regular rock, whatever you would like, and place it on top. And this is just to cover the floor foam all the way around it, and just clean it the top, just like that. Clean it all the way around it so you could place your glass on top, just like that. So that's why you have to clean it all the way around it before you place the glass on top. And then after you do that, just go ahead and grab some more rocks and put it in the middle before you put your candles. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It came out so pretty. I hope you guys like it, and let me know what you guys think of this DIY. For the next DIY, we're just going to go ahead and grab one of these two massagers from Dollar Tree and spray painted in silver. And I took this napkin ring, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some hot glue at each side of the massagers, just like that. And then I'm going to place the ring on top, hold it in place so it get attached together. Then I'm going to take one of the small plastic container, but first I'm going to put some hot glue in the ring, and then I'm going to place the container on top to attach it in place, just like that. So in here I'm going to do the same process that I did in the other one. Put the floor foam and attach it to the middle of the plastic container, and then put my glass, and I'm gonna go ahead and place some rocks all around it, just like that. And as well, don't forget that I'm gonna put some in the middle as well. And then I'm gonna put my candle on top. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turned out. Super cute. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one you like the most. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like it. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think.